Hey, welcome to another video. I recently asked my followers in a poll on my Instagram story if anyone would be interested in watching review videos on individual stamping plates, and the majority of the responses were yes. So this video is going to be a super quick review of my current favourite stamping plate, which is Hipster 19 by Moyou London. I am obsessed with Moyou plates. A month ago I didn't own any and now I have 15. This is a regular size plate. They do sell an XL version, but it's missing a few of the designs that make me love this plate so much. The designs on this plate are adorable and they're quirky, and there's not a single design I wouldn't wear. A large part of what I love about this plate and what's missing from the XL version is the accent nail possibilities. I am obsessed with accent nails. I cannot have 10 matching nails, and the combinations on this are perfect. Like a couple of the designs I'm showing in this video, the plate has full nail designs, and then some have a corresponding single design that's bigger rather than repeated, which I think is perfect for an accent nail to the full designs. A lot of the designs on this plate are also great for reverse stamping, like what I'm doing with the egg nails, where you fill in the design before stamping it on your nails. The bold and simple style of the designs make filling them in with colour super easy and fun. Now, I love accent nails that slightly match or correspond to the rest of my nails, but I'm also a big fan of random mix and match nails, and with all the fun designs on this plate, it's awesome to mix and match them in different ways, like I am with this random yellow and blue mani. If you like fun and quirky nails, or you just love mix and match possibilities, then I cannot recommend this plate to you enough. I'm so happy I bought it. Plus, I doubt you'd know this if you don't know me offline, but I'm currently in a decade-long love affair with sunglasses. You'll never see me without them, so any plate with sunglasses on it automatically gets extra love from me. Anyway, I hope you like this video. Let me know in the comments if you like the idea of me doing regular stamping plate reviews, mixed in with my nail art and swatch videos. Also, let me know what your current favourite plate is right now. Thanks for watching, and happy nail painting.